Y'all better put some damn sunglasses on for this. This sucker is shining bright out here in the East Tennessee sun. Guys, we got Mesa's Barbecues, 250-gallon TMG offset smoker here. Painted up slick. We got a custom navy blue color on here. All of Mesa's merch, all his logos are all this navy blue color. So we paint matched it to that. Guys, our 250 on skids, just as you see here, starts at $74.99. Custom paint's gonna be a little extra on top of that. Normally you get the patina clear coat finish, but what a deal you get for $74.99. Let's check it out. We'll open up the tank here. So I got that 250 gallons. You get 2 sliding top trays. 3 grates on the bottom. The bottom grates are removable. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. You got your drip guard on the door. TMG pits, Tell True thermometers, of course. And our signature hand fabricated hinges, handles, stainless steel accents all the way around. Comes out really nice. Fold down stack, that is a standard feature on a 250. Come around to the firebox here. Fully insulated firebox. That comes on every tank smoker we do. You get a fully insulated firebox. The door is insulated. We got a 24-inch pipe on the inside. It's wrapped with insulation, and we insulate the front of it as well. So holds heat great. This makes it a dream to cook on. Of course, we got our fully fabricated skid package as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. This really comes out sharp. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.